Hi everyone, welcome to Finance Plus Plus. Today, we're going to discuss smart investing for beginners. If you're looking to grow your wealth and secure your financial future, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 essential tips that will help you make informed investment decisions. Make sure to watch till the end, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content. So, let's dive right in. Tip number 1. Set clear financial goals. Before you start investing, it's crucial to know what you want to achieve. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or your child's education? Identifying your goals will help you determine your investment strategy, time horizon, and risk tolerance. So take some time to think about your financial objectives and write them down. Tip number 2. Start early and invest regularly. The earlier you start investing, the more time you have to grow your wealth through the power of compound interest. So, don't wait, start as soon as you can. Additionally, make a habit of investing consistently. You can do this through dollar-cost averaging, which involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. This strategy can reduce the impact of market volatility and help you build your portfolio over time. Tip number 3. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification means spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This helps to minimize risk by reducing the impact of a poor-performing investment on your overall portfolio. A well-diversified portfolio should include a mix of assets that have different levels of risk and return potential. To further diversify, consider investing in index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which offer instant diversification by tracking a broad market index. Tip number 4. Focus on long-term growth. Successful investing is not about making quick gains or timing the market. It's about staying patient and allowing your investments to grow over time. Keep a long-term perspective and avoid reacting to short-term market fluctuations. Remember that the stock market has historically trended upward over the long term, so stay disciplined and focused on your financial goals. Finally, tip number 5. Continuously educate yourself. Investing is a lifelong learning process, and staying informed is key to making smart decisions. Read books, attend seminars, and follow reputable news sources to stay up to date on market trends and investment strategies. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become in managing your investments. So there you have it, 5 essential tips for smart investing. Remember to set clear financial goals, start early and invest regularly, diversify your portfolio, focus on long-term growth, and continuously educate yourself. Thank you for watching. See you next time.